Hi, I'm Greg Woods, General Manager of Lake Country Chevrolet Cadillac, and I want to thank you for visiting us at our newly designed website. You will see for yourself why Lake Country not only has the best selection, but also the best prices in Green Country. Visit our massive inventory from the comfort and convenience of your own home at LakeCountryChevy.com. Also, Lake Country has went mobile, where you can visit us anytime from the convenience from your cell phone, or visit us on Facebook and become a fan. Feel free to value your trade-in while browsing our inventory, or submit a credit application for pre-approval. Schedule an appointment online and visit our specials, not only for sales, but also parts, service, and auto body. Yes, if you bend it, bump it, or break it, we can fix it at our state-of-the-art collision center with lifetime guarantee. Whether you're looking to accessorize your new vehicle or add a little style to your current ride, our experienced parts and service department can help you with that. We do it all from window tint as low as $49.95 to ground effects, lift trucks, and even custom vehicle conversions. With 4 GM certified master technicians and genuine GM parts, you can be rest assured that your vehicle is in good hands. And remember, Lake Country is the home of the $14.95 oil change. With a scheduled appointment, see one of our friendly service advisors for your free loaner vehicle. Loaner vehicles available with each scheduled appointment from our service department and auto collision center. We're one of the few dealerships in Green Country that offer GM certified pre-owned vehicles. All of our GM certified vehicles come with a 127-point inspection, a 12,000-mile, 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty, and are also backed with a 5-year, 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty. As one of the premier Cadillac dealerships in Oklahoma, we are now offering Cadillac certified vehicles. And this is a great benefit to you because it comes with a 6-year, 100,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. Feel free to chat live with one of our certified internet sales managers. For you Sunday or after-hours shoppers, while viewing the inventory on our lot, simply text the last date of any VIN to 63280 and get the specifications of the vehicle, and best of all, our cash price. For the best deals in Green Country, or whatever your automotive needs may be, visit us at LakeCountryChevy.com.